Hey, welcome back to Mind Hacks TV. My name is Amanda, and in this video, we're going to talk about what steps do I need to do to get rid of bad cravings. I got my notes down here, so don't be afraid. Don't be worried that I'm not paying attention to you. I'm just looking at my notes. So I personally went through all kinds of cravings when I was going through this healing journey, and I was binge eating late at night. I was almost obese in my weight, borderline obese, and I realized that it was a dark place for me because if I didn't address this, then I was going to get cancer and die, and I don't want anyone else to go through that. So basically, what I realized is that the thing behind all of this that was causing it was not just because I was eating unhealthy, it was because there was an emotional root cause. So that's the very first step that you've got to do. For me, I used a modality called subconscious imprinting technique, and that is what helped me reveal the root cause. And it so happened that I was actually hating my body, and I was choosing things in my life that were not aligned with my energetic spiritual truth. So that was the very, very first thing that I had to address before I could even get close to solving these cravings. The second thing that I had to do through this method was to release and heal those emotional things. So one of the really, really cool tricks that I was given to do that was to rebuild my relationship with my body. And all it was every time that I go to the bathroom was to look in the mirror and say, thank you, sweet body. Thank you for doing those things without me even asking you to. So that's something that you could implement right away. And if you want to learn more about how to release and rewire those things, you can grab my free rewiring template down in the description below. The last step was that I had to address the physical components. Because we are energetic beings, our emotion and energy affects the physical being. So that's why we have to address those first two steps and then go into the physical aspects of it. And what I realized through this healing process was that I actually had a parasite in my body. So all I did was I reached out to someone that I know that is a Chinese herbalist, and she made a custom blend of Chinese herbs for me. Took that for a couple weeks. Crazy stuff came out of my body, and I stopped craving and binging immediately. And not only that, but because I had done the two other pieces prior to that, I wasn't compelled to want to go back into those destructive patterns. So if you like that information and you want to learn more about those 3 steps in depth, then hit subscribe to this channel because I'll be creating videos that go more into depth around each 3 of those points. And again, if you want to start rewiring that first piece, go ahead and grab my free rewiring template down in the description below. Thanks so much for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next video.